Welcome back to Mr. Living Steak. And today, without any long story, I'm going to be showing you guys the fastest way for you to earn money as a beginner in web development. Actually, these things actually took me like a while, or probably a couple months, or probably should I say a year, to actually realize this. Most people actually think they actually have to be experts in web development to actually make money from it. So I don't know the country you're currently in because I haven't been able to keep track of my viewers because I have a lot of viewers from different countries. So but let's put it straight. Whatever country this works for, whatever country you are. So if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe to our channel. We share reasonable updates right here. First of all, we're going to say start with a small but high demand website. So most people, let me explain that for you. Most people actually need like a business landing page, a portfolio, small online store. These are things you can actually do even as a beginner, as a web beginner. So these are like basic things you can actually do yourself. A lot of businesses need it. So as long as you are actually able to do that, you know the basis of web development, you should be able to make money from it. Secondly, let's go up to the next one. You should be able to create a demo website. Demo website, like a mini e-commerce website. Yes, like create for people to see. Let me be specific. Like you see the Google portfolio website, the way it actually looks like. Yeah, you should be able to create something like that. Once people say I need a business portfolio, those are demo websites. So you show them this is example. You also do that. People actually make money from it. So you can actually create a demo website. You can actually sell those designs online. And apart from that, there are different ways to earn. I'm just giving you guys for beginners. You understand that? So let's move on to the third one. How to get your first client. Okay, a lot of people are actually thinking, how do I get my first client? Let me explain this for you. There are actually a lot of platforms that can actually get you clients. You can say something like Fiverr, Upwork, and stuff like that. But let's say you don't want to go through all the trouble of creating those Fiverr, Upwork, and doing those freelancing bullshit. Let's leave that aside. We're talking about beginners, right? So let's not go to something advanced. Let's skip all that. You watching me right now, you have a smartphone, right? I have a smartphone. We all have a smartphone. So does the customers, the clients. We all have smartphones. Probably expensive one, cheap one, whatever smartphone you're using. I'm gonna be specific with you. So you have WhatsApp, or most of us we don't have WhatsApp, or you have Instagram and you have TikTok. I would say Facebook, but these days people don't actually make use of Facebook purchase unlike the previous years. So these days it's currently trending on Instagram and it's currently trending on TikTok. So if you're actually seeing this video right now, I don't know what you're still doing on Facebook running ads. You should actually be on Instagram and TikTok, especially TikTok to be specific. So I'm going to give you what you're going to do. So if you actually go on TikTok and you go on Instagram, you can actually like design something, let them know you're creating this, then promote that particular post. So that's actually a way of getting a client. It's faster getting clients on social media than freelancing. Believe it or not, I got my first client on social media. It was literally as easy as you think it is. So that's one. That's three. Let's move on to the next one. Pricing guide for beginner. So you as a beginner, for you to actually get your first client or for you to actually make money as a web developer, a beginner web developer, you are supposed to actually charge low. For simple landing page, you're supposed to be charging around 20,000 to 40,000 naira, not dollars, naira. That's actually where I'm from, Nigeria, so I'm using naira. So if you're talking about dollars, you should be saying like $20 to $40. Okay, then business website should be around $40 to $60, nothing more than that. Then you can say like e-commerce website should be around $80 to like $100, or $120. Nothing more than that. You are a beginner, you are not actually that advanced, so you're not supposed to like give extravagant price. It's another method of attracting customers. So when they find out, oh, this guy started new and it's cheap, let's try him out, let's see. You know what I'm trying to say? So that's how you actually get customers easy. So why doing that? on the fifth one, you can also upsell your other skills. So if you're actually into something like you're doing something like film and audio editing, or you're into something like graphic design, or you have other skills that may be interested or maybe interesting or intriguing or enticing to those customers of yours, you can actually use those to upskill yourself. Me now, for instance, I am a web developer, cybersecurity expert, a networker, and a digital marketer. Hold and behold, I know graphic designs also. I do film and audio editing also. But my videos I post, I don't edit them because I just want to be natural and flow with my audience actually out here. So let's say this: someone that actually needs a website for his or her business, and I'm actually telling them that I'm going to actually create a website for you. On your website, I want to do a video for you, and on that video, or rather, I'm going to do an audio for you because I create audio and do video. I'm going to also do a flyer for you. I'm also going to do a logo for you. So it's more like I'm giving them a full combo package for what they're actually doing, what they're actually paying for. So they're more like, this other guy builds website, but he's not going to give me logo. I'm actually going to have to contact a graphic designer to actually give me logo or stuff like that for him to be able to complete his website. But me in particular, I do all that, and I'm going to tell him everything is included in the package, which is the money he's paying. So one way or another, you are upselling yourself compared to other designers. You understand what I'm trying to say? So the more you have to offer, the more you grow. So one way or another, you should actually have an advantage over other developers, not just say you need customers and you literally have nothing to offer. You should be good at what you do, and you should also learn to upsell yourself. If you have other skills, note, if you have other skills, do not keep them to yourself. That is very important. So with that, I think basically I've given you guys 5 already. I think basically that's all I can think of right now. But if this is your first time actually seeing my video, or you are a returning subscriber, please do subscribe. Your subscriptions and your likes and your comments actually help a lot for me to continue to create content like this, and I'll thank you guys. And please share this video with your fellow web developers or someone who is interested in going into tech. I sure love tech content, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Limits. Peace out.